भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause.
I have recently taken admission at LPU in MBA program, and so far as I have visited the campus, I get to know that the campus is very huge, and yes, it's a very beautiful campus. And apart from that, I would say the events like there frequently happens, and as an extrovert, I do like to enjoy this kind of events and all. And apart from that, what should I be like? It's a very good campus, okay? So it's what should I say more? I'm not getting words actually, because it's very beautiful. The hostels also are very beautiful. I mean, yes, after attending the event, the LP experience, all my queries were answered, and yeah, it was a very fun event. We had snacks and all, and that's it.
एलपी रु 2021 पास आउट होती मुझे असिस्टेंट सॉइल कंजर्वेशन ऑफिसर अच्छी ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट रे गजपति रे पोस्टिंग अच्छी मोर
जे एलपी यू जोड़ा यूनिवर्सिटीटा এটা কেতে আপনার বেনিফিট দেলা যেহেতু আপনার বি জব পাইগলে পাঠ পড়িকি যে যেহেতু ওড়িশার ভুবনেশ্বর আজ তাঁর ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ହେଉଛି ଫ୍ଲାଗସିପ୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଯେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କହିବେ ଯେ ନିହାତି କମ୍ ଜଏନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତ କହିବି ଜଏନ୍ କରିବ ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ପଢ଼ିଥିଲି ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚରରେ ବହୁତ ଡାଇଭର୍ସିଟି ହେଇକିରି ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୟାମ୍ପସ୍ ବି ଅଛି ଭଲ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଭଲ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଫାର୍ମ ପାଇଁ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ମୋର୍ ଦେନ୍ 100 ଏକରର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅଛି ତ ସେଇଟା ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଭଲସେ ମିଳିପାରିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତ କହିବି ଜଏନ୍ କରିବା ଆଉ ମୋତେ ବି ଭଲ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ମିଳିଥିଲା ମୁଁ 4 ବର୍ଷରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଥିଲି ତ ଏଇଟା ବେଟର୍ ହେବ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବା
यूनिवर्सिटी माने टूर रे सेठी देखिले बहुत सिक्योरिटी अच्छी पर्टिकुलर झील मान जेहेतु मो झील को मुझे एडमिशन दूसरी बहुत सिक्योरिटी अच्छी बहुत सुविधा भी अच्छी झील मानकर माने सब जिनस फैसिलिटी से बाहर को जीवाई बिल्कुल पड़ोनी सी माने कैंपस बाहर को बहुत सुविधा रहीपर और सेफ्टी रहीपर एलपीयू माने यही प्रोग्राम द्वारा बहुत झील कौन पुआ कौन किसी जिन जापर सेफ्टी रहीपर आग को प्लेसमेंट भी बहुत भल मिले जोटा आम शुणीचु आग पिला फ्रुटफुल
relationship in lovely profession university. You know, we have a very strong connection with Odisha. Thousands of families are already successfully and happily, you know, associated with the LP already. So we believe in LPU that the success of a student can be achieved with the collaboration and active participation of the parents. So in this process, we have opened many offices across the India, and yes, we hope that we are going to open our new office in Bhubaneswar also. You know, in this process, in this unique methods and the creative methods, LPU has taken many more steps, many more initiatives. For example, we are the university those are conducting PTMs in the higher education. You know, sometimes parents feel that Punjab is far away from Odisha and we are not able to reach in campus. So LPU comes at your door. We are coming at your door. We are conducting PTMs in which we are collaborating with the parents, in which we are discussing the success and the achievements of their child. We are discussing how to design the blueprint of success and how the students can achieve their goals. So this is what we do. We design a customized pathway for every student, for every parent, so that they can fulfill their dreams. Further, we are not only focusing on academics part. We are the university that focus on the mental well-being also. We focus that every student feel happy, every student feel satisfied in the campus, and that is why we are creating such ecosystem there. we have created a special department that is called counseling and happiness that focus on the mental well-being of a student. We teach students how to do the time management strategies. We teach them how to manage the stress, peer pressure. We have psychoneurobic labs, we have meditation labs, so every student feel happy there. That's why they are excelling in their own domains, in their own disciplines. So in LPU, I assure you that you will find a mini Odisha there, okay, because we are not only preparing the students for exams only, we are preparing them for a bigger exam that is live. So we would like to, invite every new admission in our LP family so that they can get the lifetime experience. Thank you so much.
Placement support is concerned at the university is very conscious with the kind of expectation that the student is coming to the university for. Our support to the student starts from the very first semester, where we help student to dream things, what he wants to achieve. We provide him support in this regard, that what kind of direction he is expecting in his life, how mentoring can help him in achieving those directions. So our support starts from the very first semester. We are not supporting only placements, we are also supporting those students who want to take up opportunities, entrepreneurship opportunities in higher studies or opportunities in research. We are supporting all of them. As far as placement inputs are concerned, so at every step, at every term, we provide them opportunities to help them, to assist them to get the best placements. But that thing is not only limited to placements, we are also providing support to the students who are taking up entrepreneurship as an opportunity in their life, or those who are looking for research as an opportunity in their life. So we are supporting.
Yes, we are getting a lot of affection and support from people of Odisha, and to reciprocate it, soon we will be coming up with our permanent office at Bhubaneswar. So things are getting finalized for it. One of the core agenda of this particular program, Experience LPU at Bhubaneswar, is to guide parents and students about how LPU is making the quality education affordable for all the students. We do understand that quality education in India at present is very costly, but how our flagship scholarship programs, which we are offering for meritorious students who have done academically well, also those who have done performed well in sports, cultural, any entrance examination, parents whose students whose parents are from academic or financially from poor background, and students who are orphan, students who are physically handicapped. University offers a lot of financial aid and scholarship for them. So the whole program is to make all these parents and students aware about these opportunities so that they can get benefit of quality education at a quality campus. Thank you so much.
Amit Dutt from Lovely Professional University. I am Professor and Dean in Division of Academic Affairs at Lovely Professional University. So we are here in Bhubaneswar to meet the students from the state of Odisha. We have got a flagship program of Experience LPU. LPU conducts a number of outreach activities to meet parents, to address their queries, whatever questions they have, to provide them the right direction. So there are a number of outreach programs that the university is conducting. One such outreach program is Experience LPU, where we come to meet the parents of the students who have recently taken admission at LPU, because these are the parents who have got a number of questions, number of queries about the new system where their son or daughter is going to join. So we have made this outreach program as a flagship program, right? So when we come we visit different places. We have set about a number of locations in the country where we would be visiting as a part of this outreach program activity. When we go there, basically we are addressing the queries of students regarding their higher education opportunities that they might be having, then the career-oriented learning that they are looking for, then student development initiatives which they can participate. Then there are a number of questions of the students regarding placement support that the university would be extending once they join their program, what kind of placement activities are there, what kind of placement opportunities they would be having once they join the university. Then we will also explain to the students, they have queries regarding the kind of international exposure that they would be getting once they join the university. We would also be telling the students about the scholarship opportunities that the university is offering to the students who are joining. Then most importantly, we are here, a major highlight of this activity is to honor the students who have performed exceptionally well, giving them scholarships when they have performed exceptionally well with regard to their academics or with regard to their cultural activities or with regard to their sports activities. So this is basically the intent of the program.
Any plan in LPU in campus in Odisha?
As far as at this point of time is concerned, we do not have any kind of plan regarding having a campus at Odisha. But the kind of love, the kind of affection that people of Odisha, the kind of confidence the people of Odisha have shown towards our university, this kind of initiative can be thought about. Definitely.
We are planning an office
सर
Bhubaneswar itself.
आप थोड़ा बोल
हाँ
सर, आप कंटिन्यू।
हाँ
Good afternoon, I am Dr.